Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best robot parts is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving areas in technology today, offering endless possibilities for creators, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Whether you're looking to build your first robot from scratch, upgrade an existing machine, or simply find the perfect accessory to enhance its functionality, navigating the vast landscape of available components can be a daunting but ultimately rewarding journey. From intricate motors and sensors to robust chassis and power systems, the right parts can transform a simple collection of components into a sophisticated, intelligent creation capable of performing complex tasks and interacting with the world in fascinating ways. Number 5. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this detailed LEGO set. It features the iconic glove with all the Infinity Stones and a display stand. This golden glove perfectly captures the captivating style of Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame. It's an impressive homage to the epic films. With movable fingers and vibrant colors, this model is a timeless display piece. It's designed to be a stunning addition to any collection. This building set for adults offers an iconic piece for your office or home decor. It's sure to be the center of attention and admiration. Looking for the perfect gift? This collectible makes a great present for any fan of the Avengers. It's an ideal Christmas gift or a personal treat for model-making enthusiasts. What we like. This is a stunning replica of the Infinity Gauntlet, complete with all the Infinity Stones. It features movable fingers and comes with a sturdy display stand with a descriptive tablet. If you're a Marvel fan looking for a show-stopping display piece for your desk or shelf, this is the ultimate collectible. It's perfect for fans of Avengers, Infinity War and Endgame who want to own a piece of cinematic history. What people say. Great design with a shiny look. The fingers can move, which is pretty cool. With its shimmering gold bricks and an array of vibrant Infinity Stones, this set is the epitome of eye-catching beauty. The instructions were really simple to understand as the blocks were color-coordinated to match what I was constructing and not black and white. The golden pieces shine beautifully, and the display stand gives it a real, collector's item vibe as the brightness reflects off any light. Number 4. Shark iRobot AV751 RV850 Vacuum Cleaner Accessory Kit. Ensure your Shark iRobot vacuum maintains peak performance with this essential accessory kit. It's designed to keep your device running smoothly for longer. This kit is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Shark iRobot models, including the AV751, AV752, AV753, S87, R85, and RV850 series. Please check the specific model numbers to ensure a perfect fit for your vacuum. Experience optimal cleaning performance with brand new replacement parts. These accessories offer the same excellent performance as the originals, ensuring your floors are spotless. Replacing these parts is a breeze. They snap into place quickly and effortlessly, requiring no tools for routine replacement. Plus, the brush is made from durable, easy-to-clean materials. Promote a healthier lifestyle by capturing fine particles before they can damage your vacuum's motor. These parts also prevent allergens and impurities from recirculating into your air, helping you avoid allergies and asthma. This comprehensive package includes 3 HEPA filters, 6 side brushes, and 1 main brush. With multiple sets of replacements, you'll have everything you need for over a year of cleaning. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive set of replacement parts designed to keep your Shark iRobot vacuum running smoothly. With multiple filters and side brushes, you'll have everything you need for regular maintenance. If you're looking to maintain optimal cleaning performance for your Shark iRobot and want a hassle-free replacement process, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for owners who want to ensure their robot vacuum continues to capture dust and debris effectively. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, and the features are impressive. Number 3. KEEPOW Robot Vacuum Replacement Parts for iLife V3 V3S V5 V5S. Ensure your iLife V3, V3S, V5, V5S, and V5S Pro robot vacuums perform at their best. These replacement parts are specifically designed for a perfect fit, offering seamless compatibility. This comprehensive 10-pack includes 1 primary filter, 3 pro filters, and 6 side brushes. It's enough to keep your robot running smoothly for over 6 months, providing excellent value. Experience high performance with parts made from durable materials. They are designed for effortless replacement, snapping into place quickly without the need for tools, saving you time and money. Keep your robot vacuum in top condition with regular maintenance. Replacing these parts every 2 to 3 months ensures it continues to operate at peak performance, cleaning your home efficiently. If a side brush arrives slightly bent, simply soak it in warm water, around 80 degrees Celsius, to restore its shape. This will not affect its quality or performance, ensuring your robot keeps cleaning effectively. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with your replacement parts or our service, please contact us. We'll do our best to resolve any problems promptly and efficiently. What we like. This value pack provides a generous supply of filters and side brushes, ensuring your iLife V3 series robot vacuum is always ready to clean. The parts are made from durable materials for long-lasting performance. If you own an iLife V3, V3S, V5, V5S, or V5S Pro and want a cost-effective way to maintain its cleaning power, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed for users who prioritize regular upkeep and want to extend the life of their robot vacuum. What people say. Functions perfectly, good value, looks great. This was great and fit perfectly when I needed to replace the brushes and filters. Worked like a charm. These replacement parts are a good fit and working fine. Number 2. DLD Replacement Kit for iRobot Roomba 600 Series. Keep your iRobot Roomba 600 series running smoothly with this comprehensive replacement parts kit. It's everything you need to maintain optimal cleaning performance. Crafted from durable, high-strength, and environmentally friendly materials, these parts are built to last. Ensure your vacuum cleaner operates efficiently with reliable components. Designed specifically for compatibility with your iRobot vacuum cleaner. These accessories ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing unit. Get your replacement parts quickly. We offer shipping within 2 days, complete with tracking information for your convenience. Your new accessories will arrive in a high-strength, protected box. This ensures they are safe from bending and compressing during transit. What we like. This accessory kit includes the essential replacement parts for your iRobot Roomba 600 series vacuum. Made from high-strength, eco-friendly materials, these parts are built to last. If you need a reliable set of filters and brushes to keep your Roomba 600 series performing at its best, this kit is a solid option. It's particularly suitable for users who want straightforward, effective replacements without any fuss. What people say. The side brush on my nearly 4-year-old Roomba 650 had long ago worn out. It seemed to pick up a lot more fine lint, but I think that's because the main brush is a little longer. Anyway, replaced all the parts, and they all fit great. The filter snapped in slightly differently than the old one, but it did eventually give a solid snap. We replaced the main brush, the flexible brush, the edge cleaning brush and the filter on our Roomba. The parts were easy to install. Our Roomba cleans better since we replaced these parts with the ones received in the accessory kit. It collects more dirt and fluffs the carpet up more. The large brush's bristles are a bit sparse than iRobot's, but it actually picked up debris better than the original, so that's odd. The rubber brush was actually better quality than iRobot's. It's like a thicker rubber. The spinning 3-piece side brush, yellow, is longer than the original, but despite lining up with the wheels, it hasn't caught on them. The filters are nearly identical to the original as well. I am most pleased with the round brush cleaner they included. It is genius. Instead of manually having to essentially rip hair or string that got wrapped around the brush with the envelope opener blade, you place the round cleaner on the brush and push down. It rips out the hair and whatnot in one motion via the teeth on the inside of the piece. It made cleaning the brush super easy. Number 1. 9-pack replacement parts for iRobot Roomba 600/500 series. This comprehensive 9-pack offers all the essential replacement parts for your iRobot Roomba 600 and 500 series vacuum. Keep your cleaner running smoothly with these vital components. Engineered for a perfect fit, these accessories are designed to work seamlessly with your iRobot Roomba 600 and 500 series models. They function just like the original parts, ensuring optimal performance. Crafted from sturdy PC material, these parts are built to last and can be used multiple times. For peak performance, we recommend replacing these components every 2 to 4 months. If your side brushes arrive slightly bent, don't worry. Simply soak them in warm water for a few minutes to restore their shape without compromising quality or performance. Your package includes a bristle and beater brush, 4 filters, for side brushes, a cleaning tool set, a screwdriver, and 4 screws. Everything you need for maintenance is right here. Our products undergo rigorous testing before packaging. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This extensive 9-pack replacement kit is designed to bring your iRobot Roomba 500 or 600 series back to peak performance. It includes a variety of brushes and filters, along with helpful tools for maintenance. If you're looking for a complete solution to refresh your older Roomba model and ensure it cleans as effectively as it did when new, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for owners who want to maximize the lifespan and cleaning efficiency of their robot vacuum. What people say. The product works as expected and is a good value for the price. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly with my existing setup. The features are easy to use and the functionality is impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.